Hi dear students, in this video I am going to discuss about how to overcome the difficulties in physical chemistry for NEET. Students, everything will depend on our thinking. We should feel it as easy. Whatever the concepts we are reading, we are starting to read, we should feel it as a easy. We should take in a positive way. When we take it as in a positive way, automatically we will get that concepts very easily. So after practicing, after reading some concepts, we will become strong in those concepts after doing some numericals. Good number of numericals we have to do based on the concepts. So students, no need to worry about the numerical part in the physical chemistry, because most of the questions it is based on the concepts you will get. We know the total syllabus of chemistry is divided into 3 parts: physical, inorganic, organic. Most of the times you will get a 15 questions like that, equally it is shared like that we will get, right? But sometimes there is a plus or minus 1. So in the physical chemistry part we have 11 chapters, right? From the 11th standard physical chemistry, some basic concepts of chemistry, structure of atom, states of matter, thermodynamics, equilibrium, sixth chapter is redox reactions. Students, 11th standard chapter redox reaction and 12th standard chapter electrochemistry, both are interlinked with each other, right? So we will consider that redox reactions and electrochemistry as the same chapter, right? So for formality I am writing here, that is in the 12th standard the chapters from the physical chemistry is electrochemistry, the solid state, solutions, chemical kinetics, surface chemistry. So from the physical chemistry part, out of the 30 chapters in the total chemistry subject, 11 chapters will comes in the part of the physical chemistry, students. Then here 6 chapters we have. For the 12th standard we have 5 chapters, and redox reactions and electrochemistry both are interlinked with each other, right? Generally students, whatever the concepts earlier, if you are feeling that the equilibrium is difficult, we need to concentrate more on the numerical part of the equilibrium. So everything it will depends on the how effectively we are learning the concepts, how effectively, efficiently we are able to apply the concepts while doing the questions. If we try to mug up some concepts, we cannot get that, right? There is a chance of forgetting. So better we can learn every concept, that is we have to understand the concept, no need to mug up any of the concepts in the physical chemistry. So we should do sufficient number of questions for every topic, then it will be very easy. So before that we should be in the positive mind. When we are started reading the physical chemistry, we should feel it is not complete of mathematics, it is simple, it will, most of the questions is based on the formulas only, like that you can treat, right? Students, mainly we can get 2 questions from this chapter, but it is easy, simple numericals we will get, that is based on the mole concepts, right? Mole concept, it is some basic concepts of chemistry, is a simple chapter. So we need to concentrate more on the these chapters. Equilibrium chapter, we should not leave this chapter, students. Definitely we have to learn anyway. We should decide that when we have started reading the physical chemistry, we should not leave the equilibrium, because we will get 3 questions. Combiningly from the redox reactions and electrochemistry also we will get 3 questions, students. So this chapter, this equilibrium chapter, redox reactions and electrochemistry, and the chemical kinetics is one of the smallest chapter. It is smaller chapter in the physical chemistry part, but we will get 2 questions. So in that aspect we can consider this is most important chapter in the NEET. Most important chapter we can consider it as chemical kinetics. Then being big chapters, this is very small, electrochemistry is little big, but combiningly we will get 3 questions. So these also we can treat it as important chapters. So earlier, if you are feeling difficult with the equilibrium, just we have to read all the concepts clearly. We should do the numericals. Definitely it will become as very easy. Students, out of the 11 chapters, this chapter will contains the surface chemistry, contains all the theory concepts only. There is no numericals based on the surface chemistry, right? So in the remaining chapters, most of the part of the solution we will do in the concentration terms from the chapter, some basic concepts of chemistry. Solid state, it is easy when we are assuming that whatever the room we are sitting, that we have to assume it as a unit cell, right? So students, I will try to explain this, all the concepts of the solid state by using the models, then it will looks very simple. So please try to follow me on the YouTube channel, my YouTube channel SKSN Chemistry Coaching. So definitely all my videos are very, very helpful for you. Whatever the doubts you are getting, you can ask me through the WhatsApp. So I will be helpful for you. Not only the physical chemistry part, next I will start the videos on the organic, inorganic, complete chemistry videos I will do, which is useful for all the students, those who are preparing for the board exams, NEET and other competitive exams, JEE, it may be JEE, KVPY, like that exams, right? So all the best. Thanks for watching.